I wanna show you how to make a calculation application. So first of all, we need to make a new project in your Xcode. So now I will select the single view application. I will call it calculations game, and organization name is my name, identifier is my identifier. Okay, language I will choose the Swift, and device I will choose the iPhone. Use core data, we don't need them because the application will be very simple. So next, now I will choose where I wanna save the data, the project. So I will choose my desktop, and I will click create. So now I got the basic start project in Xcode for the single view application, but we wanna use the CIB file, so I have to remove all these storyboards, so I will delete them. We don't need this view control, so I can delete this. And now here I have to remove this and remove this because we don't have any storyboard for the interface, so we will let it blank. So now I will uncheck the landscape because the application will only support the portrait mode. Now in my delegate I will remove this line, and first of all I have to add a new CIB file for the game. So I will click the new file, I will choose user interface, and I will choose the view because I will need the UI view controller. So I have to choose the view, and the UI view controller will be the CIB file owner. So I will click next. I will call it menu view. Okay, I click create, and now I get this. Okay, so first of all I need to set some properties of the CIB, so I will click on that, and here in this where is it? Yes, here I have to choose this, and I have to uncheck the use auto layout because we don't use the storyboard, so I will disable the size class. We will make all UI programmatically, so we don't need to use the constraints and auto layout. So we have to remove this, and now what I have to do, make new file, and I have to make some controller for my view. So I will create menu view controller, and it is subclass of UI view controller. So this is it. Okay, so I will create them. Create. So now I got the menu view controller. I will remove this because I don't need this. Okay, so now it's blank code. Now in the files owner I have to set the class of the owner, so I will make it menu view controller. So now the file owner is the menu view controller, and again I have to set the reference, so I have to make this connection from the view to the view of the CIV file. So now is this view connected to the files owner. So when the menu view CIB will be called in code, the supporting class for the CIB will be called the menu view controller function, view did load, and other function of this class. So this is it. Now, because we removed the my interface, we have to load the application. We have to load the UI programmatically in AppDelegate. So first of all, I have to get my menu view controller. So I will create the var game menu controller, and it will be menu controller, and what we can choose, oh, what we can choose. So because I got no IntelliSense here, I don't know why, we have to write this. So name will be menu view because the CIB is called menu view.cib, and bundle is ns bundle my bundle. So this is the ns bundle.my bundle. We will get the reference of the files in my bundle, which are the files in the project. So this is it. Now I have to set the UI window by the size of my screen. So I will call this, and I will call the singleton class my screen, and I will get the frame from that. So this UI screen.MindScreen.bounds will get the screen size of the device. So it will be take this and pass it to the constructor parameter frame of UI window, and it will create the UI window with the size of your mind screen. So now I have to set the window the my menu controller. So I will set this by, so I have to pass the reference to the root view controller of the window, and I will pass it like this. So I will pass the menu view controller what we created before here. Okay, so and now I have to make the window visible. So I have to call this function make the view appear. So this is the simple way how to load your view controller. Okay, so now for the demonstration I will set the background color of the view. Oh no, of the view, sorry. For demonstration of loading the menu view controller, right, I will set the background of the view to red. So now in the menu view controller I will make this. I will set the background color, self view background color, to UI color red color. So this will be called, so this will create the menu view controller from the name here, and these references to the files owner where is set the menu view controller will load this. Okay, so it will be loaded, and after that I will set this menu controller to my window, and then I will make it visible. So if it's alright and good, when I press the build button I will see the red screen. So let's see what happened. Okay, Xcode failed, so I have to run this again. Sorry, I will choose the iPhone 4S simulator. Oh, again the Xcode failed. So let me try it again. It seems a little buggy on the Swift, so maybe you get very ridiculous errors about the Swift code and compilation errors, so you have to be very patient. So now is the simulator is running and we will see what happened. So and what we expected was happened. So the red screen was loaded. So that's all. This is the simple basic for the loading the menu view controller. So next we will make some buttons to our menu view. Okay.